Downloading the HondaLink app and enrolling will provide you with a wealth of free and subscription services to help control many things right from your smartphone. Some of the free benefits include service and maintenance scheduling, a Bluetooth phone pairing guide for your vehicle, fuel and driving range details, and more. In addition, there are 3 subscription packages available. First is the Security Package. It includes automatic collision notification, emergency calling, enhanced roadside assistance, and more. And it's free for 3 years. Then there's the Remote Package that adds features like remote engine start, stolen vehicle locator, remote door lock and unlock, Find My Car, even a Send Destination by Voice feature. And finally, there's the Concierge Package for $260 per year, which you have 90 days complimentary. The remote, security, and concierge services are complimentary for 3 months. The personal concierge services can definitely make your life easier while you are driving. It's like having a personal assistant. With your phone paired to the vehicle, use the blue link button to talk to a live agent 24/7. Want restaurant reservations or movie tickets? All you have to do is push the blue button and ask. Nice, huh? Here are just some of the things your concierge agent can help you with.